In this video, I'm going to use the subtotal command to add subtotals or averages, or there's a number of other functions that you can use to different categories within the data. Specifically, I'm going to summarize the information by state or province. So to begin with, I made a copy of my web data collection worksheet and renamed it Subtotal Command. And then I also renamed the range A3 through J33 as database. So before I add subtotal commands or add a subtotal command to my worksheet, I need to make sure that the column that I'm going to want to have subtotals for is sorted so everything's in a group. So I'm going to go ahead and sort the state and province column. So that it's in alphabetical order. And by doing that, all of the Massachusetts records are grouped and so forth. So now I'm ready to apply the subtotal command. I'm going to go to the Data tab to the Outline group and click on Subtotal. And this is the subtotal dialog box. And the first part of this is it's asking me where do I want the subtotals to happen at each change in, and I want it to happen at each change in state or province. So I'm going to choose that field name. My second choice is what function do I want to use. And as I said before, there are a number of different functions that you can use. We're going to use the sum function. And then which column do I want the subtotal to be added to? And in this case, there's only one choice. It's the dollars spent column. Now, should I have a list range that has more than one column with values in it, and I want to add subtotals to all of those columns, when I create the second set of subtotals, I would want to be sure to unclick Replace Current Subtotals. That allows you to add more than one set of subtotals to more than one category. So when I'm done, I'm going to click OK. And if you look through the state and province column, you'll see there's an Alberta total, a BC total, a California total, and so on down. All right, so if I want to, and you'll also notice that an outline has been added here. So I could collapse this all the way down to level 1, which is the total spent for all states and provinces, or level 2, where I can only see the subtotals, or level 3, where I can see all of the information. So if I'm done with my subtotals, and I keep forgetting to select the range that I want to apply them to, once I'm done with the subtotals, if I want to get rid of them, I go back to the Data tab, back to the Outline group, to the Subtotal command, and click Remove All.